Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
So, how are you this fine afternoon?
We
We
are.
are fine. Okay, well, I'm so great that you're all doing fine. So, I call Miss Jackie Dolagas to please lead the prayer and also the energizer. Okay, let us pray, classmates. Dear Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, Amen. Our Father, in heaven, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Amen. Okay, so for the energizer. Okay, so let's sing the I have two hands, the left and the right. Okay, really say I have two hands, the left and the right, holding apart, so clear and bright. Love them softly, clean little hands are good to see. Okay, so before you take your seat, kindly pick up those papers under your chair and also arrange it. Okay, so please, I want you to feel comfortable and please do relax. So again, good afternoon. I am Jivia Bernola, your math teacher. And to begin our discussion, I want to check first the attendance. So, Australia Kurt,
Present, ma'am.
Sumili, present teacher. Lagos, present. Osaba, present. Francine, present. And Binondo.
Present.
Okay. So we have a perfect attendance. So let's clap ourselves. Now, before we're going to start our discussion, may I call Ms. Osaba to do the recap.
So last meeting, ma'am, we discussed about vertical and horizontal in multiplying polynomials.
Okay, thank you. And yes, last meeting we discussed about vertical and horizontal in multiplying polynomials. And now, class, let's try this. I will be giving you a seat word and to let me know if you really learned something. But before that, let's have first the objective. So, knowledge, discuss the lattice methods of multiplying polynomials and skills, solve the polynomial using the lattice method of multiplying. And next is appreciate the importance of the following steps. Okay, so this will be the problem that you're going to solve. I will be giving you 5 minutes to answer.
We have the next open, ma'am.
Okay. So if you have a question or concerns with regards to the activity that has been given, you're free to ask question, and if none, continue answering. Okay, are you done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Let's exchange your paper. Okay. Please read number 1, Joel.
So number one is parenthesis x squared is minus 5, quantity 3x plus 2 is equals to x squared, parenthesis 3x plus 2 minus 5 times 3x plus 2 is equals to 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 15x minus 10. And we get the answer.
Okay. Number 2. Osaba.
So number 2, 3x cubed plus 2x minus 2 times x squared plus 5x minus 4, 3x to the power of y plus 2x cubed minus 2x squared added by 15x 4 to the power of 4 plus 10x squared minus 10x, then negative 4x cubed minus 8x plus 8, 3x to the power of 5 plus 15x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 18x plus 8 is the answer.
Okay, who got the correct answer? Okay. Marielle Hanito, number 3.
So the given is 4x plus 16. So x cubed minus 4x squared minus 12x minus 2 over 4x to the 4th plus 6x cubed negative 16x cubed minus 64x squared negative 48x squared minus negative 192x and negative 8x minus 32 over 4x to the power of 4 and minus 132x squared minus 200x minus 32.
Okay, thank you. So, who got perfect score? Very good. So, it seems that you clearly understood our topic. So, now let's move on to the next activity. Okay, so the name of the game is Choose Me, wherein all of the members must participate. Then the mechanics of the game is that after flashing on the screen containing the problem, the groups are given 3 minutes to share ideas on solving the problem. Then one member must pick the correct answer in front. So the group who will pick the right answer first will receive an award. So the problem is 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 times x squared minus 6x plus 2. So I will be dividing you into 2 groups. So this will be group 1 and group 2.
Yes.
Okay, so please get a sheet of one whole sheet of paper. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. So can you sheet your paper? Okay. So I have here the answer. So 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 times x squared minus 3x minus 2. So x squared times 3x squared is 3x raised to the power of 4. And then x squared times negative 4x is negative 4x cubed. And x squared times 1 is x squared. And then 3x times 3x squared is negative 9x cubed. And 3x times negative 4x is 12x squared. And 3x times 1 is 3x. Next is negative 2 times 3x squared is negative 6x squared, and 2 times negative 4x is 8x, and negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So the result is 3x raised to the power of 4 minus 13x cubed plus 7x squared plus 5x minus 2. Okay, so class, do you have any idea of what will be our topic this afternoon? Yes, Fernando?
Based on the activity we use, I think it will be lattice.
Lattice method. Okay. So yes, our topic this afternoon is about the lattice method. So lattice method is a mathematical procedure in multiplying polynomials in one variable. So this method makes us numerical coefficient of the two polynomial factors. So to continue the discussion, I will introduce to you another teacher. to continue discuss the topic, which is the lattice method.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
So, I am your new teacher this afternoon. My name is Maijin Tubato Ehe. And this afternoon, are you ready for your next activity?
Yes! We are so done.
So, I will only set one rule in this class. Every time I will say 1 to 3, you will say eyes on the TV. So, let us say it. 1, 2, 3.
Eyes on the TV.
Okay. So here we have an activity. So I will group you into two, and the problem will be flashed on the screen. Then all you need to do is to write down your answer and raise it when the timer is up. So I will give you 2 minutes to answer this problem. And of course, I will give you papers.
I have
If you have any question, feel free to ask. And again, this is 2x squared. Sorry for the type error. And this is x squared, and 6x squared. Are you done?
Not yet, Mom.
We are done now.
Yes, because I know you're smart.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I go? Okay, Mrs. Eva. Are you done?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, please pass your paper. Now, I will ask one student to explain his or her answer in front. So, I have here a solution, and I want one student to explain number 1. Here. Can I ask Mr. Jopel?
Yes, you can. Okay. 2x squared minus 6x plus 3 times x squared plus 10x plus 5. So doing the lattice method we have here. So 2x squared times x squared is equals to 2x to the power 4. And x times negative 6 is equal to negative 6x cubed plus 6x times 3 is equal to 3x cubed. Now for the second term is 10x. Positive 10x times 2x squared is equal to 10x cubed plus 10 times negative 6 is equal to 60x squared. And 10x plus 3 times 3 is 30x. Now for the last is 5 times 2x squared is 10x squared. 5 times negative 6x is equal to 30x. And 5 times 3 is 15. So we're adding them all up. So bring down 2x to the power 4. And negative 6x plus 10x 3 is positive 43 cubed squared plus 3x squared plus 60x squared plus 10x squared is equal to 73x squared. Now, since they are same 30x, they're 30x, but we have unlike signs, so we're going to cancel it. So 0 plus bring down 15, so that will be that.
So the answer is
2x to the power 4 plus 43x squared plus 73x squared plus 15.
thank you, Mr. Jopel. Now I will explain number 2.
And class, did you get what Mr. Jopel is explaining?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will explain number 2. We have here x squared plus 2x plus 3 multiplied by 6x squared minus 3x minus 8. So the first thing you will do is to use this lower part terms to multiply in the upper terms. Thank you, Mr. Jopel.
You're welcome.
So 6x squared times x squared is 6x to the power of 4, and 6x squared times 2x is 12x cubed, and 6x squared times 3 is positive 18x squared, and negative 3x times x squared is negative 3x cubed, and negative 3x times positive 2x is negative 6x squared, excuse me, and negative 3x times 3 is negative 9x, since there is a negative sign here, and negative 4 times 4x squared is negative 8x squared, and negative 4 times positive 2x is negative 16x, and negative 4 times 3 is negative 24. Therefore, the answer is 6x to the power of 4 plus 9x cubed minus 4x squared minus 25x minus 24. Thank you, Mr. Jopel. So now, I will ask you a question. What is again the method of multiplying polynomials? Miss Mariel?
So it is a lattice method of multiplying the polynomials.
Thank you, Miss Mariel. And define what is a lattice method. Who can define? Yes, Miss Jackie.
So, lattice method is defined as a mathematical procedure in multiplying polynomials in one variable. So, this method makes use of the numerical coefficient of the two polynomial factors.
Thank you, Miss Jackie. And how is it done? Miss Seba?
All we need to do is to create a table, but depends on the number of the polynomial, as it could only be done by 3x times 3 or 2x times 4 polynomials with the root, diagonal, and every cell, and put the coefficient on the upper part and on the lower part, and multiply the coefficient, then sum it up diagonally.
Thank you, Miss Osaba. Do you find it helpful?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Mariel?
Yes, ma'am. It helped us, me and us, to multiply in multiplying the polynomials.
Is it easy or difficult? Why do you say so that it is the average level?
From 10, 1 to 10, it is 8.
Okay, then in what way can you apply lattice method?
So we can be able to come up with the right solution and correct answer just simply following the instruction.
Yes, you're right, because lattice method help us to find the right answer in multiplying polynomials. And even if I were to answer this problem, I would find it difficult if I didn't know some method or any process to solve this. And now, with what idea we can apply it to real life situations? Mr. Jopel?
With lattice, I think we can follow like the recipe and cooking. You can also ask directions, and if they need some, you can follow instructions.
Did you apply it?
Yes, because I'm a good kid.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, rice.
Right. Yes, exactly. Because if you will follow the proper way of cooking rice, it would unsatisfy us at the end.
Yes.
The next. Also, I've already asked that. Now another activity for you to answer, but this would be checked tomorrow. So please get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer this activity. I know you can answer it by 1 minute since I can tell that you really did understand the problem. I need the discussion. I think among the activities given, this or the easiest. Why? Because we're only having here 2 terms.
Yes.
Right, Jackie?
Yes.
Are you done? How about students at the back?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please pass your paper. Papers, brother.
Thank you, sir.
Are you excited for your assignments?
Yes.
Why can I feel the energy?
Yes!
Okay, so please do take some photos. Or you can copy it in your assignment notebook. This time, we are going to solve for the quotient of the given polynomial. So please do have some research since we haven't discussed it yet. And I want you to search some methods in YouTube on how to get the quotient of this polynomial, since we can see that there are 4 terms and more terms in here. So are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so before we will go home, let us have a closing prayer. Can I ask Miss Harito?
Are you ready to pray, classmates?
Yes, we are.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen. Our Father, who art all for
And my Jesus, also for thee, amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, amen.
Thank you, class, and that's it for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you, teachers.
Goodbye,
Goodbye, classmates. See you tomorrow.